Hi, I'm Dr. Ben from Mornington Peninsula Chiropractic Centre, and today I wanted to talk to you about spinal discs and the different types of pain that are associated with spinal disc injury. So there's kind of two types, and the first type is spinal disc pain or radicular pain that's associated with damage to the internal structure of the disc, causing pressure on the little tiny nerves that exit from the spine. So this model here, you probably can't see it from there, but if I come in a little closer, you can see these fibers on the outside of the disc that go in circles, and in the middle of the disc is this ball of gel. Now sometimes these fibers can start to perish or start to form cracks due to poor lifestyle choices, poor posture, damage from sitting, falling, bumps, jerks, jolts, even some nutritional poor posture or poor decisions can cause this this annular fiber to start to break down. If it breaks down enough, sometimes that nuclear material can squirt out into that crack and cause what you can see on here as a disc bulge. Can you see how that bulge is occurring there? Well, that disc bulge will start compressing or choking on the delicate nerves that exit from your spine. And if that nerve's compressed, then you will start to get often what we call radicular pain. And that pain could be traveling down your arm, it could be traveling down your leg, could even be traveling around the rib cage if you get a disc bulge in the middle of your spine. Uncommon, but sometimes that occurs. Most common area causes the low back. It's where we see these disc bulges because of the body weight and the amount of force and load that's being applied to the discs in the low back as compared to the neck. But we still see this problem occurring in the neck, and it's very important that if you do have neck pain and often pain down the arm, that you do get that professionally checked. So the disc fibers break down, we get this bulge, we get this compression on the nerve, and then this radicular pain. That's what we call a disc bulge. The other kind of pain that we see with discs is just localized or axial disc pain, which is localized pain in the disc, often due to the arthritic change, the degenerative change around the disc starting to break down in age, again due to often poor lifestyle choices. As a chiropractor, we're specialists in finding the cause of the pain, whether it's just localized disc pain or whether it's radicular pain due to a disc bulge. And there's a number of different tests that we can do and examinations that we can perform to determine the specific kind of disc problem that you've got. And in the next step, the next video series, I'll go through and explain the different types of tests that we can do to determine the kind of disc problem that you have. Remember, always look after your spine. I'm Dr. Ben from Mornington Peninsula Chiropractic Centre.